Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today, let's answer a question. What are the best windows for sound reduction? Let's talk about that. Let's get back to our dual pane glass unit. The best windows, I guess, for sound reduction is gonna be anything 2-pane or more. Triple pane, very, very quiet. Let's go with double pane first. When you go from a single piece of glass, anything you get that's gonna be more than just one piece of glass is going to be beneficial for you against sound. Let's say you live by a main street where there's plenty of traffic, maybe there's a school nearby, maybe you have neighbors with dogs, whatever. If you're looking at a dual pane window from a single pane, most window companies will offer you the option for a sound reduction package. That's where they take two different thicknesses of glass and sandwich them together. What does that got to do with anything? It's because if you had two panes of 1/8 inch, there's certain harmonic waves that are prevalent through an 1/8 inch. And it doesn't matter if you had 2 or 3 of them. If you have the two different thicknesses, the 3/16 stops certain sound waves, 1/8 inch stops other sound waves. It just quiets it down even more. So when you have a dissimilar glass IG unit, that is going to keep the room quieter. Going from a single piece of glass to maybe just 2 of the 1/8 inch, just the standard IG unit, that's gonna be huge for you, big time difference. Now, some manufacturers will use 1/4 inch, 3/16 inch, but with a much smaller spacer. Or they have a much thicker dual pane glass unit. Whatever the case may be, there's options for you to have a quieter room. Let's talk about triple pane. With triple pane, obviously, you're going to have a little bit thicker overall dual pane glass unit, 2 separate spacers, 3 different panes of glass. The sound transfer class rating, the STC rating for a triple pane usually hovers in the 4.0. That's really quiet, very quiet. You can even get like a 4.5. You can look up online STC ratings or sound transfer class ratings, and you can actually look to see, well, what does that mean? You know, is it dog barking, people talking audibly, yelling? What is it? And you can get that information there. Now, triple pane is going to be probably the best against sound because, well, you have more panes of glass. When you're looking into windows for quietness, just ask the person, well, what's the STC rating? And it's their job to let you know exactly what it is. Maybe it's written on the quote, the actual STC rating, and then you can go online and figure it for yourself. What does that mean for me? For vinyl, let's stick with vinyl because that's the majority of what people are buying. It's a great insulator and it's great against sound as well. So a vinyl frame with a very high performance glass unit, 2 panes with 2 thicknesses of glass, that's ideal, or 3 panes of glass. Obviously you have to have one of those panes that are gonna be smaller than the other 2. Hopefully this answers your question. If you have any comments or any questions, you can always go to the comment section and I will try to respond as soon as possible. Make it a great day. Talk soon. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.